Process of fertilization. The process of fertilization is carried out in fallopian tubes. Fertilization is a process of fusing female gamete with a male gamete to form a zygote. A zygote is formed when single sperm fertilizes a single ovum. Then, zygote moves down in fallopian tube to reach uterus. While traveling, it undergoes mitotic division. Then, when it reaches uterus, it transforms into a solid ball of cell. The thickness of uterus layer increases after the completion of menstruation and waits to receive embryo. If it does not receive any embryo, this layer breaks up and menstrual fluid comes out. But if fertilization takes place, the thickness of the layer continues and it helps in nourishment of the embryo and in disposing the waste formed during the development of embryo. When the ovum travels down the oviduct or fallopian tube, it undergoes mitotic cell division and then attaches to the soft tissue of uterus. Then, the embryo slowly goes down into the soft inner uterine wall. The process of embryo getting attached to the wall of the uterus is known as implantation of embryo. Then, different layers are developed from the cells of embryo to protect, nourish, support in the development stages of embryo. These layers or membranous structures are as follows: chorion, yolk sac, amnion, allantois. Chorion. Chorion is the outer membrane which consists of tiny finger-like projections. It is produced by the cells from embryo and the mother almost after 12 weeks of pregnancy. Placenta is a tissue formed by the chorion. A small pool of blood rapidly moves through these projections. However, no blood exchange takes place between the mother and the baby. The blood system of both mother and the baby is separated by a thin wall. The important nutrients, oxygen and waste materials and carbon dioxide gets exchanged through this wall by process of diffusion. Yolk sac. It consists of a fluid-filled cavity and is situated just below the embryo. The embryo develops until it is ready to be born. In the 3rd month, embryo is known as fetus. Amnion. This is the next membrane of the embryo which grows just above the embryo. It consists of cavity filled with fluid known as amniotic fluid. This fluid helps in nourishment and protection from mechanical injury, and also embryo gets developed in this cavity. Allantois. The edges of the yolk sac and folding of the amnion combines at allantois to form a long tube-like structure which connects the embryo with placenta. This long tube-like structure is known as umbilical cord. This cord contains the blood vessels which connects the placenta and supplies food materials from mother to child. The period of pregnancy lasts for 9 months or 280 days, and it is known as gestation period.